I used AI tools to build a dropshipping store in 1 week. The results surprised me, and I'm showing you exactly how to replicate this. Day 1, I used ChatGPT to research niches and generate product descriptions. Then I leveraged Midjourney for product mockups. Finally, I integrated these into a Shopify store using AI automation tools. This entire setup took just 4 hours instead of the typical 2-3 days. The AI handled research, copywriting, and design. I focused on strategy only. Days 2-5, I used ChatGPT to create TikTok scripts and Jasper AI for ad copy variants. Claude helped optimize my email sequences. I ran paid ads with AI-generated creative. Result, 247 site visits with only 89 ad spend. The AI tools cut my copywriting time by 70% while maintaining quality conversions and engagement rates. By day 7, I had 3 orders totaling $287 profit. Not life-changing money, but achieved in minimal hours. AI automated 80% of the work. Key takeaway, AI handles repetitive tasks. Copywriting, research, design, freeing you for strategy and customer relationships. This proves AI dropshipping is viable for side income if you combine tools strategically. Use ChatGPT for niche research and product descriptions. Generate mockups with Midjourney. Build your store on Shopify. Create marketing content with Jasper AI. Run targeted ads. Monitor analytics daily. Scale winners. The entire workflow is now AI-assisted and cost-effective. Start with a 100 budget and track every decision for optimization and sustainable growth. Drop a like if you're trying AI for business, and subscribe for more AI tool experiments and tutorials that actually work.